Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for the opportunity for me to finally could present you all my research result with title Analysis Influence of Innovation in Product Excellence, Product Price, and Product Credibility towards Customer Purchase Intention in Herbal Tea Products. My name is Ranah Nabila and this is my research result. So why is it so urgent to dig deeper into these variables, namely innovations that are focusing in product and customer purchase intention? So I discovered the fact that in 2021, the worldwide economic situation has already come back to its feet. Even it's developed, the situation indicates a massive change where the companies must be able to adapt in order to win this very strict and open competition. Meanwhile, in Indonesia, in my country, it is found that the growth of MSMEs is significantly increased as well. But unfortunately, our innovation index is still stagnant. This is a warning for a company that is not conducting of any innovation yet to survive in this bigger competition. The same situation also occurs in the tea industry in Indonesia, where since 2021, the amount of tea production in Indonesia has improved compared to previous years. This indicates that there is an increase in this lifestyle of drinking tea in the community. Aside from being a business opportunity, this fact is also a warning for the tea industries that there is a huge competition in the market. So, why is it so important? Because as a very newborn company in its field, namely a herbal tea company, they are facing several problems such as questions about what herbal tea products that are wanted by its target market and what do they consider in determining whether this product has good quality or not. So knowledge about customer preferences is needed to find out their purchase intention towards the herbal tea product. So in this study, researcher will focus on finding out how is the influence of product innovation on customer purchase intention for herbal tea products. And through this study as well, it is hoped that research can develop strategies for tea industries so that it can create product innovation that meet its target market preferences. So following are the limitation of this research, conducting in big cities in Indonesia with a certain age range, and the most important characteristic is that they have interest and knowledge about herbal. So in this previous research, we used the grand theory of Kotler and Keller for the customer purchase intention variable, where it is concluded that the customer purchase intention is an activity carried out by customer to determine which product they will choose by comparing its quality and usability to find out which one is more appropriate and meet their needs and desires. And for the independent variables, we use the grand theory of Gatignon and Schurep, where the variable of product excellence is divided into three, namely product taste, product scent, product color, and packaging. And for the credibility, it is divided into three, which are product trustworthiness, product expertise, and product information. And lastly, for the product price, it is divided into four, namely suitability between price and benefits, affordability, compatibility, and suitability between price and quality. We go next. So here is the conceptual framework where the researcher wants to discover if there are any positive influence from each independent variables that have been mentioned with the dependent variable. Next, for the method that we use here are the quantitative approach. We gather information through Google form. And for the analysis, we use the multilinear regression and also the descriptive statistics. So next, here is the descriptive statistic result, where the result shows that 15 out of 15 indicators have a level of agreement of more than 84%, which shows that the independent variables can meet the respondent's preference for purchase intention. And next, for the product scent indicator in the product excellence variable has the highest level of agreement. Following are the result of the classical assumption test on MLR so that the analysis can be continued. And this is the result of R square it shows that the influence of product excellence, product price, and product credibility can explain for about 60% of the purchase intention variable. Next is for the F test. It means that the purchase intention variable is properly influenced by the product excellence, product price, and product credibility variables. And next is for the T-test. The result shows that there is a significant and positive effect between the X variable and the Y variable, so that the hypothesis 1, 2, and 3 can be accepted. Next, following is the result of hypothesis testing, and the product credibility variable has the most significant effect, which is for about 37%. Here is the hypothesis discussion, as I mentioned before, so we can accept the hypothesis 1, 2, and 3, and it is also supported by the previous study as well. We go to the business strategy. So in the descriptive statistic, it is found that there are 3 indicators that have the highest score are product SEN, suitability between price and benefits, and product information. So that researcher tends to focus in conducting innovation towards these 3 indicators first. Firstly, innovation for products and researcher propose reformulation by adding more ingredients such as lavender, chamomile, and vanilla in order to improve the quality of the aroma. Next, we go to the value-based pricing, where we will conduct a repositioning in order to see how the market capture our value through our product. The next step is that we conduct competitor mapping and do a benchmarking regarding the selling price. Nara required to create clear and detailed information in all sales and marketing platform, especially social media, include the packaging. Product information can deliver in fun, informative, and educative content such as storytelling and quizzes. And then, since all the indicators that have been mentioned are also have a very high score, researcher must be focused on overall product innovation too. That's why the first 2 months, researcher will be focusing on the activities on R&D for improving product excellence, then repositioning, and then strengthen the brand through marketing platform. So the conclusion is that for the first research question, we can see that there is indeed a positive and significant influence of 60% between X variables to Y variable. And then the next is the business strategy, where we could explore raw materials to conduct reformulation, then carry out value-based pricing for product positioning, and lastly, improving the product information in all sales and marketing platform. And then for the recommendation, this research finds that product aspects hold a very important role in herbal tea products. Thus, herbal tea to improve its product excellence, price, and credibility regularly. And for the future research, it can capture the larger market by conducting research throughout Indonesia. Yes. So that's all for my conference presentation. Thank you so much for watching. And Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.